everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm the tutor Mr. Okuke. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel and share the link of the channel, to your students and your friends and neighbors, families, and all that, so that they can be able to learn, maths and even physics. Okay. All right. So we have a problem on the board on mensuration. The question says find what the volume of what a solid what cone. So we're given the base radius and the perpendicular height to be what? 7 centimeters. Alright, so let's understand what the problem is all about. Now, this is what a cone looks like. Okay. So the cone looks like this. Now the base radius arrow we are given as 3 centimeters. And this height, okay, we are given as what? 7 centimeters. Now there's a relationship between a cone and what? A cylinder. Let me quickly explain the relationship. So if we have a cylinder of this nature, okay, if it has the same radius with this cone, 3 centimeters. So what it means is from this point, okay, if I bring this out and I bring this out, okay, we'll be able to form this cone. Okay. So you can form a cone from what? A cylinder. But now when you do, okay, now if you fill the volume, okay, if you fill this cone with water, okay, and you pour it inside what? This cylinder. You are going to pour it 3 times, okay, before you get this cylinder filled, okay, because this cone has been formed out from the water cylinder. So the idea is, okay, we have for the volume of a cylinder, okay, you need to fill in this 3 times, okay, to be able to get this. All right, so we have 3 times what? The volume of what? A cone. All right, so this gives us an insight. So 3 times the volume of a cone, okay, is always equals what? The volume of what? A cylinder. Now, what about the volume of the cylinder? How do we get the formula for the volume of the cylinder? Now, the cylinder has this height, okay, which we have here, and it also has the same radius. Now, for the volume of a cylinder, you want to calculate, okay, let's say this area is pi r square, okay, times what? The height, okay. So, the volume of a cylinder is actually this, the base area of any of the side, the top or the bottom, okay, multiplied by the height, okay. All right, because if you pour water into this cylinder, it's going to fill the base and gradually move up the height. So this area multiplied by the height, the water moves up. All right, so we have it as what? We have this, so pi r squared multiplied by h. All right, so with this expression, we can now develop the formula for the volume of the cone. So remember, we have 3 volume of a cone is equals to pi r squared times what? H. All right. So all we need to do is I'm going to divide it by 3. I'm also going to divide it by 3. So this will cancel out this. So the volume of a cone is actually pi r squared multiplied by h divided by 3. Okay. So with this, we can now be able to what? Solve the equation. Now sometimes, okay, this can also be written as volume of a cone is 1/3 times what? This. So we have pi r squared h. Most times you find this formula, but let's use this to solve. So the volume of the cone, okay, is going to be, so we have pi was given as 22/7 times our radius is what? 3 centimeters. So I have 3 centimeters, all in brackets, what? Square times our height, okay, our height here is what? So we have 7 centimeters. So all these divided by 3. Now from this can cancel out. This is 1, 1. So we are left with what? The volume of the cone is equals what? This is 22 times 3 centimeter square means what? 3 centimeter times what? 3 centimeter. So here is left with 1 centimeter. So all this is going to be divided by what? 3. Okay, now that we have that expression, we can be able to simply get our answer. So 3 can cancel itself, 1, 3 can go here as 1. So the volume of the cone, okay, becomes, we have 22 times 1, which is the what? 22 times, we have 3, okay, all over what? We have 1. Now centimeter times centimeter times centimeter is going to give us what? Centimeter what? Cube. All right. So the volume of our cone in this problem is going to be 22 times 3, which I know is going to give us 66 centimeter cube. So this gives us the simple solution to this problem. Now, one thing about maths, you don't need to cram your formulas, you just need to develop them. And so the more you do that, and continue to use the formulas, the more you get acquainted and these formulas stick, to your memory and mind. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to somebody. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.